Find X5 Pro elevates the Oppo Find X series to a whole new level of beauty and performance.
Of course, the new Mersilicon X is just one key element of Find X5 Pro's advanced imaging system. The dual primary wide and ultra-wide angle cameras feature Sony's advanced 50 megapixel IMX766 image sensors, 2 new pixel size after binning. On the wide camera, the lens elements themselves have been upgraded to enhance color accuracy. Find X5 Pro also features the latest evolution of our full-path 10-bit color engine. With Find X5 Pro, we've introduced a 13-channel spectral sensor that replaces the previous 5-channel RGB CW sensor to more accurately detect a scene's color spectrum. As photography enthusiasts, we are always looking to learn from true experts in the field. Hasselblad, with its iconic approach to natural color, is the perfect partner. Our camera team worked closely with Hasselblad's engineers to bring natural color calibration to Find X5 Pro.
The Ultra Hard True Ceramic Bike of Find X5 Pro is available in ceramic white and glaze black to reflect its clean, modern sophistication. Find X5 Pro features a 6.7-inch ultra-clear, curved AMOLED screen, continuing the gentle curves and flowing lines from the smooth, pristine bike all the way around to the front. With a WQHD Plus resolution, 1300 nits peak brightness, 100% P3 color gamma coverage, 0.4 GNCD, HDR10 Plus support, a DisplayMate A+ rating. The screen can display the finest detail, creating a true-to-life window into your digital world, and access to high-end performance. Find X5 has an natural color as the first device to feature our all-new Mersilicon. Find X5 Pro is Oppo's latest high-end flagship smartphone, and the first device to feature our all-new Mersilicon X imaging NPU. Find X5 Pro is opening up the night with the same video power as you would expect in daytime. Natural color calibration with Hasselblad also adds a new expert layer to the camera system. We've worked closely with our industry partners like Google to continue to push ourselves to ensure we meet the highest quality standards, both for product experience and security. Alongside Find X5 Pro, our latest Find X family will also include Find X5, providing customers with greater choice and access to high-end performance. Find X5 has an understated yet ultra-premium finish with a matte glass texture that resists fingerprints while joining the eye. It also includes the same outstanding camera system as Find X5 Pro, powered by Mersilicon X and 120Hz billion color display, support for 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, and more. Our Find X5 series family. You can order the whole new Find X5 series from today, and they will be available from March 14. With Find X5 pricing at just €999 and Find X5 Pro at €1299.